The 2025 Porsche 914 is a bold reimagining of a classic icon, a car that originally made waves in the 70s as an affordable, driver-focused sports car. Now, in its modern form, it's been brought back with a futuristic twist that blends heritage with cutting-edge technology. Right away, the exterior makes a statement. The design is low, wide, and purposeful, keeping that unmistakable Porsche DNA while also pushing boundaries with a more limousine-like stretched body. The glossy proportions give it presence, and the front end is dominated by a clean, aggressive grille paired with sleek LED matrix headlights. Sharp aerodynamic lines run across the long body, seamlessly integrating into the widened rear haunches. Sitting on large black alloy wheels with performance tires, the stance is commanding yet elegant, hinting that this is more than just a design exercise, it's a machine built to perform. Step inside, and the new 914 continues to impress. The cabin embraces Porsche's signature driver-focused philosophy but reinterprets it for the future. There's a minimalist dashboard that eliminates clutter, replaced with a curved digital display that flows naturally into the central console. Every function feels intuitive, from the haptic climate controls to the customizable digital gauges. The interior lighting has a futuristic glow with customizable ambient modes, and premium materials such as fine leather, brushed aluminum, and carbon fiber come together to deliver a balance of luxury and sportiness. Seating is low and sculpted, keeping you locked in during spirited drives, but comfort hasn't been sacrificed. Adaptive bolstering and ventilation make long journeys just as enjoyable. With expanded dimensions, the cabin offers more space than its classic ancestor, including usable cargo room that makes it surprisingly practical for a performance-focused car. Performance is where Porsche truly keeps its promise. The 2025 914 is powered by an advanced hybrid setup, pairing a turbocharged flat-4 engine with electric motors for instant torque delivery. Together, this system produces breathtaking acceleration while maintaining efficiency. 0 to 60 comes in just over 3 seconds, and top speed exceeds 180 miles per hour. The car's lightweight construction, combined with active aerodynamics, ensures sharp handling and remarkable stability at high speeds. Porsche's latest suspension technology adapts seamlessly to road conditions, offering both a comfortable ride in daily use and razor-sharp precision on twisty roads. Braking is equally impressive, with carbon ceramic discs providing relentless stopping power. And thanks to its hybrid system, the 914 can glide silently in pure electric mode for short distances, making it as versatile as it is thrilling. The 2025 Porsche 914 isn't just a revival, it's a bold statement about where Porsche sees the future of performance cars. It's sleek, futuristic, and packed with technology, yet it pays respect to its roots. This is a car that blends past and future, delivering the soul of a classic sports car in a package designed for the modern era.